Your AI is smart. So why does every new chat feel like starting over? You explain the project, share the decisions, correct the same assumptions. Then you switch tools and do it all again. Some AI products remember conversations, but your work rarely lives in just one conversation or one tool. Atomo gives your project a shared, durable place for its knowledge. Compatible AI assistants can work from the same organized context, so one can continue where another stopped. New findings remain connected to the project. Contributions are attributed, and you can inspect, correct, or remove what has been saved. The AI doesn't silently own the memory. You remain in control. Because productive AI work shouldn't depend on repeating yesterday's explanation. Your chats may end. Your project contacts shouldn't. Atomo keeps your knowledge ready for whatever AI comes next.